Hello, this is a motor for washing machine. I will try to connect this wire, but I teach something you can do as technician need to connect this wire. For this, I have a 3 wire. The first one is common. The common is black, but the second is red, and so red. But this 2 wire they connected through to the capacitor. But the first this wire for black was connected to power, then another power connect the one of them. If you connect another power to this, the motor was running the clockwise. One remove for higher to there, the motor was moving anti-clockwise. Let's see. The first one is power, but see the direction. Don't you see? They coming here, but remove the wire, they turn there. So you see that, and you see it's that code.